Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XDC tokens on Coinbase and want to move them over to Robinhood for better management or trading opportunities, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to transfer XDC from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Robinhood, and that you have some XDC in your Coinbase wallet. Also, verify that XDC is supported on Robinhood. It's a popular token, so it should be, but it's good to confirm. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your XDC holdings. Click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your XDC balance. Now, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your wallet section and locate your XDC address. Robinhood might require you to enable crypto trading if you haven't already. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Back on Coinbase, paste this address into the recipient field. Select XDC as the asset, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the network details. XDC typically uses its own network, so ensure it's set correctly to avoid failed transactions. Before you hit confirm, check for any fees. Transfers might incur network fees, which can vary based on congestion, so factor that into your amount. Once you're sure everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Now, the waiting game begins. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, log back into Robinhood and check your wallet to see if the XDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and double-check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. A quick tip. Always use the exact network specified for XDC to prevent losses, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.